Philippe here with Fontana Ovens and Grills talking insulation. So we use a rock-based wool that's about 12 centimeters or 5 inches thick. Why is it important that it's rock, natural rock, versus silica? Silica or glass-based insulations end up breaking down and degrading over time and even producing harmful gases. This is even food grade safe, the insulation itself, and it's not across just the top and the back like a lot of others. We go across the top, the back, the front, and underneath. Every single little nook and cranny on our oven is completely enveloped in insulation. It's jam-packed. That means that at full temperature, let's call it 7 to 750, you can take your forearm, your hand, put it right on the roof, right above the fire, and it's warm to the touch, but it's not gonna burn you. It gets hotter sitting in the sun than it does when you're cooking at 800 degrees. So make sure that you're using a product that is insulated for your protection, for longevity. It's certified to only need 1 inch of airspace between any of the sides and combustibles. Everybody else maybe maxes out at about 5 inches. That's a big difference. So find an oven that is gonna be safe for you to use, for your family to use. And if you have any other questions, let us know. I'll continue posting these videos, so make sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and I'll see you next time.